I'm ready to graze because I'm so hungry. Oh boy. Oh boy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip and today we are back at it with another Graze unboxing. So this is my first box for the month of May. I am subscribed to this subscription for twice a month. So this is box number 1. And yeah, if you're interested to see what snacks I got for my first box for this month, then stay tuned and let's get to grazing. Very curious to see what I got for my first box for this month, and this is what it looks like when I open the box. Super cute, love it. So I'm super interested to get into these snacks. So here are the first 4 right here. Ooh. Ooh. All right, we'll try the one that jumped at me first. So the first snack that we're gonna try, this is the peanut butter and jelly. Ooh, this looks super yummy. And this gives you 7 grams of protein. The peanuts are good. Tastes like regular peanuts. Let's try this jelly. Okay, the jelly is weird. It does taste, okay, together it's not so weird, but separately it's weird. The jelly does taste like grape jelly. It's just the texture of it is odd to me. It's not overly sweet, and the peanuts are a very nice peanut texture. And then in here, you also get little cubes. These are vanilla cubes. So it says that this comes with salted peanuts, raspberry strings, and vanilla fudge cubes. The vanilla fudge cubes are really good. I feel like I would like this snack if it was just the peanuts and the vanilla fudge. Yeah, these, what are these? These raspberry strings are just awkward. Awkward in texture, but the overall taste when mixed together is okay. The next snack, this is the not too spicy veggie protein snack. And it says you get a good source of protein in here. So you have jumbo chili corn, black beans, wild rice sticks, and carrot chips. And this is one of their new creations. So was the peanut butter and jelly snack. That was also a new creation. And let's just try. Yep. I love the crunch. The taste is not overbearing. It's not spicy at all. This is delicious. This is absolutely delicious. Okay. I'm super excited about that snack. That is fantastic. Ooh. Opening the next one without even telling you. So the next snack I have here, this is the original protein flapjack. You get a good dose of whole grain, 8 grams of protein. So this is rustic rolled oat flapjack with flaxseed, sunflower seed, and pumpkin seeds. Yeah. That is delicious. Okay, so again, you get that nice gooey texture. The rolled oats are perfection. I get the taste of the sunflower seeds, but I'm not really getting like the pumpkin seed taste, which is fine. But there is a hint of sweetness in this. Yeah. There's definitely like a little sweet kickback, which I mean, is perfectly fine with me. But yeah, definitely I'm liking that. And again, this would be a great pre or post workout snack. Number 4. So this is the Fantastic Forest Fruits. This is what it looks like. And you get a good dose of fiber in here. So you have blueberries, what are these? Lingonberries? soft apple pieces, and cherry raisins. So this looks like another dried fruit mixture, which I wasn't a big fan of the one before. Just, I don't know. I guess I'm more of like a savory person than an overly sweet person. But there's no rhubarb, so we're good. Okay. All these fruits mixed together taste like raisins to me. It's not bad. Again, if you have a really big sweet tooth, then these would definitely satisfy your sweet cravings. Oh, okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so these are the last 4 snacks in our box. Seeing a good mixture here. So the next thing that we're trying out, so this is called Mexican style smoked cheese. It says that you get Gouda puffs, black beans, hickory smoked almonds, and chili corn. So it's not really a lot of cheeses mixed in here. The only cheese you get is that Gouda puff. Okay, so let's get one of everything. I kind of want to try these separately. Okay, so this is a Gouda puff. Okay, that's really like an airy cheese. Really nice kick at the end. We got some almonds, some black beans, and some corn. Okay. This is actually really tasty. I really love this corn that they keep adding into these snacks because I think it's the same corn that was in the spicy veggie protein one. But yeah, yeah, this tastes pretty good. It's not like wowing my mind, but the Gouda puff it's airy, which is nice. It's really light, so you're not gonna have like that heavy, I just ate a lot of cheese type of feeling. Okay, so the next one is called Sweet and Spicy Beet Crunch. Sweet and Spicy Beet Crunch. What? I don't like beets. I need to start liking beets. You get a good source of fiber in this snack. This is one of their new creations. So you get beet chips, jalapeno chickpeas, and sunflower seeds. Okay. I am, if you guys already don't, oh my god, the smell. So this is what the snack looks like. You definitely see those beet chips right up front. Let's just try one and get it over with because I'm not looking forward to beet chips. Okay, man up chip. No, 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 no. Ew. And I didn't bring anything to drink. Oh, okay. I feel like a lot of people out there like beet. Oh, okay, I don't. And I thought maybe the chip would make me change my mind, but it doesn't. Yeah, that's awful. That's awful. We'll try the jalapeno chickpea. There's the spice. Okay. And then sunflower seed. Okay, so this snack is actually pretty boring to me. The flavor is bland. This snack is very bland. God, that beet is disgusting. I can't do beets. Okay, so the great thing about this snack box is that you can go in and customize your profile. So in the beginning, I did not tell them that I didn't like beets. I just wanted to see what kind of beet snacks they would have to see if I would like it. But after trying the chips and I can't stand it, I know I don't like beets. So I'm just gonna go in after this and change that and say no to beets. So the next one is called Anytime Energizer. And this is what it looks like. And this you'll get a good dose of vitamins and minerals. Okay, you get cherries, pears, and walnuts. So this is a mixture of dried fruits and nuts. This is what the snack looks like. And yeah, Something to wash out that beet flavor, man. I love walnuts. Okay. I feel like the pear doesn't need to be in here, but it's okay. The cherry and the walnuts are amazing, and mixed together, even better. But yeah, the pear is just like a, you didn't need to be in here. The other two are fine on their own. Okay, so this is our last snack of the box, and this is natural energy nuts. This is what it looks like. And you have walnuts, hazelnuts, and almonds. You get a good dose of vitamins and minerals in here. And this is what it looks like here. And honestly, it looks, yeah, it's just a mixture of nuts, which is good to have on hand. Good dose of protein. And again, this would be a good snack before you go for your workout or even after. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this tasting, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.